Here's my B2650, and I just took a landscape brake off, and I'm going to show some things about the 3-point hitch. I've noticed a lot of comments and questions about how to get the hitch off when you have a backhoe subframe on there, stuff like that. So I'm just going to show you how I do it, and it's pretty simple. The difficult part is that it's just a little bit kind of heavy, but other than that, it's just pulling pins out and pulling it off. So I'll show you how to get it off. I'm going to put my backhoe on, so maybe another video I'll show you how I'll put it on. So here's the top link. It's easy enough to get off, but you do have to lift the lift arms to get this pin out, because it won't slide all the way out. So I'll do that and just take this off. Link off. It's a little easier to see. Down here with the backhoe subframe is this piece right here. Goes all the way down, and here's the hook that the backhoe sits in, and pins to this hole here on each side. So same thing on that side. Now, complaint is that there's not enough room between this rod that goes all the way through and the subframe to get this 3-point hitch arm off. On mine, it's just barely big enough, so I'll show you that. It's just a matter of pull that pin out, and I'll have to put the camera down and show you as I pull it off. Also, one other thing I wanted to show you is these pins. I like these. Came with just regular pins with cotter pins like this. Focus like that one. But on this, since I'm pulling them off and adjusting them, since I'm adjusting them more than other things, I like this setup, and it's this kind with this curved retainer. So you just pull down, pop this off, this retainer slides up, and the pin comes out. So this is what it looks like, and it just closes up like that. It's spring loaded, so I need 2 hands to put it together, but it just snaps right over. So I just picked these up at Tractor Supply. Easier to work than having to deal with multiple pieces. Okay, so hope you can see most of this. I'm going to pull the lift arm pin out and the stabilizer link. I'll pull those pins out, and then I'll take the arm off. I'll get my gloves on first. Okay, now these out of the way, and then slide it over and up. It just barely slides out. And now I'll do the other side. slides over. Now it does hit right there, but that ball eye is just enough room to pivot on the end of that shaft right there.